Hi. Hi. This is room number 267, where Mr. Siva Subramanian, John Patrick, Winfred David, Nammathaga Kutti Pisasu, sorry, Chumma for fun, okay, and Mr. Don Kranti Babu.
Ta-da!
Okay, this is where the people say no. This is not full of noise. I think it is a place of shelter. You know, all people come here and just sleep because this place is very cool. You know what? No one can. The specialty of this room, you know, every room is not only a specialty. இந்த room ஒரு specialty என்னன்னா, யாருமே இந்த ஏரியா விட்டு செல்ஃபு தாண்டி போட மாட்டாங்க. Everyone will keep the slippers here. Everyone who enters this room will keep the slippers outside and enter. And they go. You know the reason behind this? Because of this man, Siva, who used to tell everyone to keep their slippers outside. He will ask the fellow to remove the slipper and come. Never, from first year, Arvind Raja's roommate, first year, second year, third year, every year, he had this principle. I think this is Siva Subramanian's cupboard. And especially Mr. Kranti Babu's cupboard was always wide open. He was wide open for people, you know. Everything will be here. He was donate. Always it will be open. Everybody sleeps in the dawn. Then always this room is meant for peace, but lot of activities take place here. Okay, I won't tell that, but lot of activities take place.